Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling ant colony, lived a young ant named Anthony. He was known for his diligence and hard work, but what he longed for was something more of love. One day, a wise old ant named Oliver told him about the ant nuptial flights, a magical event where ants of the opposite sex would take flight to find their lifelong partners. Anthony was filled with excitement and anticipation. On the night of the flight, Anthony climbed to the top of the anthill, joining countless other ants in the air. As he flew, he saw countless ants around him, but none caught his eye. Suddenly, a gust of wind blew him off course, and he found himself lost in a vast, unfamiliar forest. Lost and alone, Anthony felt a pang of fear. But then, he remembered the words of Oliver, "True love finds you even in the darkest of places." As he wandered, he met an injured ant named Amelia, who had also been blown off course during the flight. They helped each other to find their way back, and as they walked, they found themselves drawn to one another. They returned to their colony to find that they had been missed and welcomed with open arms. The ants of the colony were surprised to see two ants who had never met before, but they soon realized that Anthony and Amelia belonged together. From that day forward, Anthony and Amelia became inseparable, working together and building a life filled with love and happiness. They learned that true love is not about finding someone perfect, but about finding someone who compliments you, who helps you grow and who stands by your side, even in the darkest of times. And so, the ants of the colony learned a valuable lesson that night, that love is not something to be found, but something to be nurtured and cherished. And that sometimes, the most beautiful love stories begin in the most unexpected of places. Moral * love is not something to be found, but something to be nurtured and cherished. True love finds you even in the darkest of places.